Ever caught yourself replaying a past moment again and again? Or overanalyzing a simple choice until you are mentally exhausted? That's not thinking deeply, that's overthinking. And while it feels productive, it's silently holding you back. Overthinking is thinking about something excessively without resolution or action. There are two major types: rumination, which is dwelling on the past, and the second one is worrying, that is obsessing over the future. What is the brain science behind overthinking? The prefrontal cortex is overactive during overthinking, creating loops of planning and doubt. Amygdala activates fear and stress response, increasing anxiety. And the default mode network, which is the part of the brain that lights up when you're idle, excessive DMN activity is linked to self critical thoughts and mental chatter. What's the difference between overthinking and deep thinking? While deep thinking is purpose driven, structured, focused on solving or understanding, leads to clarity and insights, involves analysis with eventual action, and is calm and reflective mindset, overthinking is aimless, repetitive, focused on what ifs and doubts, leads to confusion and mental fatigue, stuck in analysis paralysis loop, and is anxious, fear based mindset. You can understand in this way: deep thinking is like a laser which is focused and sharp, overthinking is like a spinning fan which is lots of movement but no direction. So, why we overthink? Mainly because of fear of failure or making the wrong decision, desire for perfection, low confidence or trust in oneself, past trauma or embarrassment, a need for control in uncertain situations. How do we stop overthinking? What are some of the science backed tools that will help? Number one, label your thoughts. When you are overthinking, pause and name it. This is overthinking. Labeling activates your prefrontal cortex, which is the logical brain, and reduces emotional intensity. Set a worry timer or time box it. Give yourself 10 to 15 minutes to think deeply about the problem. After that, force yourself to move on. Write, act, or shift focus. Third one, write it down, which is cognitive offloading. Journaling helps you to externalize your thoughts, organize them, create distance between you and your mind noise. Fourth one, take physical action. The brain calms down when the body moves. So go for a walk, stretch, do breath work, take a cold shower. This resets your nervous system and breaks the mental loop. Fifth, practice mindfulness or meditation. Meditation reduces DMN activity, the default mode network that causes mind wandering. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing can lower overthinking significantly. So, overthinking is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do but gets you nowhere. It's not about thinking less, it's about thinking with direction. Choose clarity over confusion. Choose action over endless thoughts. Are you an overthinker or a deep thinker? Comment below. Keep watching this space for more such interesting videos. I'll see you in the next one.